This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, August 1st, 2019. This one I got a call for, guy's got his AC. He says it runs for a couple of 3 days and it ices. Sometimes it'll ice up like within a day. So he might have having a problem with his fan or the charge. He says he changed the filters. We'll have to take a look and see if we can, if the evaporator's clean. Probably an older system. You know, some of the stuff I work on just past its prime. Junk, just try to keep it working for get another couple of years out of it for these people. It's all good, mama. Go by there, see if we can get it going for the guy. Breathe life into this old beast. The fan, so you got it working now. You got the AC working now,
yeah,
right?
I just put it on about an hour ago.
Okay, so the fan, have you changed the filter?
Yeah, I got a brand new filter in there.
Alright, let's check the unit outside then.
To me, I think it should feel colder in here.
Well, we'll have to check the unit outside.
Let's
make sure that it's turned down enough so it don't shut off on me.
Alright.
What's it set at?
70.
Just lower it down so it don't shut off. Oh, that's good. Just so it's not, so it's 73 and 76. All right, I just don't want it shutting off on me when I go to check it. All right, where do I get to the unit?
Go straight out back here.
Spine fin. Low on Freon, not even cold. It should be R22, 96. R22. Gonna be low on Freon, I can tell you right now. Yeah, I can tell right now it is. We'll put our gauges on it and we'll be able to do something with it. Had it running for an hour, it's not even sweating. Well, that's a small liquid line. I mean, it's got 5/16 going out. Suction line's 83, I mean, that's low. That's really low. Look at the superheat. It's definitely low on Freon. Gotta get some Freon, put some in there. Leave the tank back. Hose back to the tank, and then we'll give it the old, how you doing, mama? We're at 36. So at 36, that's 13 degrees on R22. That's why it was freezing up. You want to see why it was freezing? This is a PT chart. The suction pressure when it started was 36 psi. At 36 psi, it's 13 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright? So it should be, say, 75 on a suction. 75 will be 44. So that's why it freezes. 32 is freezing. So if you're at 12, I mean, it's gonna freeze it if it's moist out, you know? So we're gonna give it some Freon.
Shouldn't that be wrapped better?
Well, I mean, you got other issues besides wrapping the bloody pipes, guy.
Oh, alright.
You got more issues than that.
Really?
Yeah. I think we got a bad leak somewhere.
Really?
Well, leak the Freon out. Not supposed to leak it out.
Yeah, but that's been quite a few years.
Yeah, it's 90. It's a 96. It's a 96.
Well, the last time that was ever done, the guy said there was too much in it, he took some out.
Oh, maybe. How long ago was that? Quite a while? Look at this. They've reduced down the size of the line from 3/8 to 5/16. Who put the system in? You don't know?
Yeah, I don't remember. I got paperwork somewhere.
Yeah. You got a garden hose? We could hit this coil after I'm done with the garden hose. You got one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't hurt to hit the coil with the garden hose and keep it clean. You know. Well, we'll get some juice in there for you, and it's gonna work better now. Pretty nice out here, nice and shady, huh? Because of the trees.
Yeah, but I don't get no breezing around here. That's why I got it.
You need it.
That's the second one I've had.
Yeah, I wouldn't live without AC.
Oh, me either.
Not now, no. Get that stuff cooling up a bit.
Hard to get people. Nobody wants to take on customers.
Is that what they said?
Yeah.
But you called me yesterday, and I told you I'd come today, and you said, well, if I try to find someone, I couldn't find nobody? No.
They all stay home. We're not taking on any customers right now.
Really? Stay away from them clowns.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, they charge you a lot.
Yeah, that's what I figured. Especially coming from around. I'm looking for somebody I can depend on. You know what I mean? I had a guy, but I don't know what happened to him.
Probably retired.
No, I had this new kid. He came a few times.
It's gonna work a lot better once we get some Freon in there, guy. It's gonna work a lot better.
Yeah, it's 2 years. I've never really had any problems with it. So I figured,
I got more in the truck.
I know I found it. You don't need a rental suit. It's not that cold. That's what told me.
We'll leave it right there and we'll let it stabilize. Leave it right there and let it stabilize for a bit. That soup heat's at 20. You want to bring that, give it a little bit more. Let's see what our inside wet bulb is. Once I get it up to speed, it'll be a lot better. But you could already feel it's cooling, no?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's awful going on it, I'll tell you that.
What is it? Yeah, this is definitely a piston. I almost guarantee that. All right, so 63 on a wet bulb. 63. So 64 and 90. 9 degrees superheat. We're gonna give it some more at 24. We're gonna give it some more.
Hey, guess what?
What?
You're the one that put it in.
No, I didn't put it in. I might have did something else. I didn't put this in.
Yeah.
Well, what did it say? I might have did a repair on it.
No.
No, removed. I'm the guy that removed 22 right there.
Oh, all right.
1 pound of 22 removed. That's me. Yeah, 08, but this thing was put in 96.
Right.
So I did some work to it.
Alright.
I'm gonna give it a little bit more juice. Alright, so we got our soup heat right around 11 or so, 10, 11, that's fine. 68 on a suction. 8 degrees subcooling. That's fine, that's where we want to be, right there. Alright.
You're not seeing any leaks, are you?
Well, you can't tell it, you can't see that. Well, you know, you can feel it coming out nice and hot here.
That's what I'm saying.
And you want to see how it's sweating here? Before it wasn't sweating. See how it's sweating?
Right.
That's what you want to see. And I'll have to come back. We'll just change all this insulation. I mean, it's not worth trying to play with it.
All right.
I'm not going to do it today.
All right.
You know, but I'll put you on my list, and we'll get back with some new stuff for you. All right. So it's going to work good now. Not with me, you didn't.
No, to.
See, I gave this thing a good hose. I gave this thing a good how you doing with the hose too. So.
I had a maintenance plan. I had one for the heating system.
Yeah.
So they came. They tried shafting.
They tried giving you how you doing, huh?
Well, I'll say.